Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John Adams. Today we're looking at the brand new Apple Watch Series 9 and the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 2 that was just announced today. So let's take a look at it. But I ordered two of these, so if I were you, I would subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it, because my regular videos are a lot higher quality than this. This is kind of just a knee-jerk reaction video. So let's take a look at it. The Apple Watch Series 9, smarter, brighter, and mightier. A powerful move forward. With this S9 chip, it's really cool because it's got a lot more functionality than it used to have, which is kind of true and kind of not true. On the Apple event, they made a lot of the kind of clicking of your fingers. Well, that was an accessibility function for a while now. That's not a brand new thing, and so for Apple to kind of move this into the main light and say, like, look, it's brand new. Well, it's not brand new. This chip is probably better. It's certainly better than the last one, but it's an incremental change. It's not all that big of a difference. Let's keep looking. So this is the double tap features. I wonder how much that's gonna like activate without you meaning to. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how if I'm gonna use that all the time. But the Series 9, it looks good. They're, dedicated to trying to be carbon neutral by 2030, which is cool. But the Apple Watch Series 9 doesn't feel like a humongous upgrade from last year. Apple Watches also last a really long time. Like, I just upgraded to the Series 8 a few months ago, and before that I had the Series 3. So you're pretty good for a long time. So that's the Series 9. Let's go back and look at the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now this one is a lot cooler. It is more expensive, obviously, but it is, to me, what I love about Apple Watches is you can leave your iPhone at home and just go out. And with the battery life of the Ultra 2, you can go out for days and not need your phone with you. And so if you're kind of more that digital minimalist style, that's going to be really big for you. So this is a great little watch here. It's got new guts, more glory. So like I said, incremental upgrade, just like, every year. But I like this right here. This is something that I've been talking about in iPhones for years. I use this on iPads. They are finally making an automatic feature where when it's nighttime, your screen turns red. I don't know why it's taken so long to just have this as a regular, everyday feature, because I do this every night when I read on my iPhone. If you haven't seen it, I've got a short on that somewhere on my channel. But it's cool that they're getting there. The action button's still there to stay. So for me, man, I'm looking at this going like, that's just a good little upgrade, better chip. Hours, the battery life is really amazing. I mean, up to 72 hours. That's pretty crazy. 17 hours in low power mode, 36 hours of normal use. Like, if you get the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you're getting a watch that's going to last you days and days and days. And if you're, if you really need to last, just turn it off when you go to sleep. So Apple Watch Ultra 2, I'm going to get one. I'm excited about it. So if you're interested in a kind of higher quality review of the Apple Watch Ultra 2, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to get both the regular Series 9 and the Ultra 2. I'm also getting two of the new iPhones to do reviews on those. So please subscribe to the channel. Hit like if you found this helpful, this knee-jerk reaction helpful, just to give you a bit of an overview on the Apple event. Guys, I appreciate you. I'll see you all in the next one.